Oh my gosh, I'm about to launch Tommy. Anybody want to come watch? I'll wait a few seconds.
I'm coming. Oh, yes.
Yeah, I
No,
don't
I
think I'm gonna make it there.
Goodbye, Tommy!
Oh, wow.
Oh, I just saw. I saw.
Tommy just witnessed his own death. Oh, shoot!
Oh shit! The only thing keeping me alive was the fact that I didn't know how it would look like when I died. Now I do, so.
He got launched by a monkey. Specifically, a white man dressed up as a monkey.
Exactly.
That has a racist undertone to it.
Is it actually a white guy under there?
Yes.
Okay, good. That would have been
Okay,
pretty
good.
controversial.
Oh, there's some bloke in the air. There's some bloke in the air.
Oh, mate. Oh, shit! What the fuck? My monkey is too strong.
Kamikaze does.
Wait, what happened? Oh, you alright, mate?
Oh, Tommy, don't. Layson, don't.
Ram him. He's beeping.
He's beeping. Alright, what do you guys? Who's gonna pick me up?
Oh, shit!
What's the next best thing? Armored car. Let's do it.
Yeah, cars, I guess.
So it.
Wubsy, you got the church. You got this.
Skilled.
Alright.
Oh.
Fucking, we're competent, aren't we? Jesus Christ. Just constant fucking death. Right.
Alright, we gotta run. Get in!
Let's go. we are the best Warzone team.
The boys. Can I get a lift?
How do you get out of the car?
Sweet ride, bro. Where'd you
I
get
know.
this?
It was like some I'm trying to MacGyver my way through here. Alright. Come on. There we go.
Yep, okay, yep, here's the exit.
Ah!
Awesome. Great.
That was a weird mall party
Nice
spot.
to
Yeah.
Wubsy. Hello.
Hey. Oh, hey.
Drink, mate.
Oh, okay.
Let's
okay.
go.
Oh, you guys having a drink? I'll have a drink too.
My mom told me not to drink and drive, so I won't do it.
Don't
I got
tell
it.
my mom, she a bitch.
This is what I have to do with your mother. Uh-oh.
Yo, what's up, you little burnt bitch?
Yeah, bitch!
Oh my gosh.
Wait, where'd he go? He morphed into the wall.
Dead!
Oh, he's on the cliff.
Oh!
Oh shit. Okay. Who should I get?
If you don't
I
get
was
me, you're
gonna pick
racist. If you don't get me, you're racist.
Woo!
Oh, wow!
I'm sorry.
Wow!
You couldn't do one of you racists there.
It's
probably not. They can't do that.
It's okay. Yeah, we can get one more person.
I'm 5% Native American, so like.
Oh, sorry, Layson.
Damn.
Is everyone just pulling the fucking
Oh,
race
shit.
card?
I got Layson instead.
Now you're racist.
I'm so racist.
Okay.
Now you're racist.
I'm a quarter Irish, it's fine. We went through famine.
Oh, this
so
is not a
fine.
race.
No, come on, we're gonna win. Come on, Tommy has the Ukraine flag, like.
And he has the
Right.
gay controller.
Yeah. I don't
True,
like the way you
yeah.
said that, but yeah.
That's a really good way of saying that. It's you and some other wanker, come on. You're better than him, okay? You are a geezer, okay?
Oh! He has the high ground though!
He has the high ground.
Like, no,
What is that?
What the hell is Price? That Price?
Yeah.
that's like price 84.
What's his, that's what he. It's gay. That's Pride Price. That's Pride Price.
I love you so much.
Shut up!
I'm like that, bro. Hey, I'm really like that.
Shut up! No, you're not.
Like that.
Shut up!
What, nigga? I have
I watched.
You do it.
I was watching Van Awesome them do. I didn't see it like completely though because they.
Wait, Layson, let me revive you. Let me revive you.
Finish it.
Oh, what the fuck? What is it? Okay, there we go. Up to careful.
Don't worry, dude. I'm a fucking. Oh shit. Oh fucking shit.
I'm
Hey,
here.
hold on.
Dolly.
Hey, a little late. Hold on.
As well, so, yeah.
Bro!
What the fuck? We all died.
Fucking damn it.
You're like the hard ass of the group.
Oh,
But you're not.
gotcha.
You're the hard ass.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Jesus Christ.
You really know how to get a girl wet.
That's a Drake lyric.
That's the gayest thing I've ever said. Fuck you.
Let's try not to crash into each other.
Let's try to do that.
Yeah, actually just
Kidding.
try to do that, guy.
Yeah,
I'm all
like-
for smashing, but not crashing.
There's a third helo, third helo.
I see what you mean there.
Yeah.
I'm all for smashing, but not passing, if you feel me.
I like passing sometimes. Depends on who it is. If it's you, I'll pass. Like, I'll pass you around. You know what I mean?
Alright then.
We should do a last to stay up in the air wins with the helicopters. Oh shit.
Yeah, fuck it, let's do that. Just, yeah.
What the fuck just happened, Tommy? Was I Whoopsie? What the fuck?
Alright, Whoopsie's lost so far. I think
Alright,
he
me
hit
and-
the fucking blimp.
Me and no! Me and Lason are the only ones up here. No, Lason, stay away from me.
I was saying, my helicopter's got more health, mate.
Well, mine has fire on it and flames and looks cooler.
Yeah, well, mine's black.
T1, bro. Placing 1.
Mine's black as well.
Wait,
Here, Wubsy, I'll try and catch you.
Can you get... Yeah,
Oh,
maybe
shit.
Team Orca. Wait, here I come. Yeah.
Lason! Don't you there.
Okay. You gotta get lower than me, and then I gotta land on it, and then
Alright.
I'll press F. Hold on.
Yes!
Oh my
I win! Fuck you, Luke. Oh shit, Tommy!
I'll roll over yours.
Hey, Tommy.
Jesus.
Tommy, jump in.
Shot!
Ah! You know, it's all good. Here, Lason, whenever you come back, just try and land with us.
Alright,
Hello? Guys?
We're on
Hey, mate.
red health, you know. Alright.
Shit.
Shit. Whoa, my-
We're doing barrel rolls.
Oh shit!
She went upside down.
And that's how all the helicopters died.
That's the story about the helicopter.
That shit, the helicopter turned gay at the last minute.
When in doubt, I go in the hole.
So Tommy, you wanna have like helicopter sex?
And I'm out. Alright, I'll see you guys.
Oh, yeah.
yeah, fuck this. This isn't very personal at all, actually.
Whoopsie, where do you think you're going?
What do you
Whoopsie, get back here.
Oh shit!
That's what you fucking get, boys.
Oh, you guys are all the way over there.
I'll catch you.
Alright.
It's so hard to
You
control.
went right past me.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. You got it. Let's go. Come here. You're smart.
away.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Tommy. Tommy. Tommy.
Tommy, get in!
Get in.
I can't breathe.
Get in. The cruise. I think something's wrong with the cruise control.